Hi there, my name is Carrie and today I bring you the powerful, game-changing Bombshell Brow Serum. The Bombshell Brow Serum is a brow and lash enhancer. It is very lightweight and it's all natural, made from 100% organic castor oil and pure rose extract. It's a beautiful light floral scent that's going to linger all day long and I'm obsessed with it. I wish you could smell this right now. The serum enhances the growth of lashes and nourishes the roots of the hair and skin, and also has anti-aging effects. I use the serum every day after cleaning my skin as I normally would, making sure there's no makeup residue left. Then you want to gently apply it to your brows and lashes. Make sure that the serum fully dries before continuing with the rest of your skincare routine. Repeat this daily so that your lashes and brow hairs grow beautifully. Full lashes and thick brows are in now, so let's take care of them and make them beautiful. Head to browwarbyreema.com and make sure to get your Bombshell Brow Serum today.